Welcome to episode 1 of my Dreamina deep dive tutorial series. Episode 1, Dreamina Octo. For years, creating something like this required an entire creative team and a complex production pipeline. Today, it starts with a single idea. Meet Octo from Dreamina, powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and built around a new way of creating called Vibe Create. Just start with a rough idea or a simple message, and Dreamina Octo transforms it into a complete video, from generating images and turning them into dynamic video scenes to adding voiceovers, background music, and even full timeline-based editing, all without leaving the chat. Just idea to video, all in one canvas. To get started, head over to dreamina.capcut.com. The link is waiting for you in the description. Once you're on the platform, open Dreamina Octo and start a new project. You'll land on a blank canvas, where your creative journey begins. You can access the AI features from the options on the left, or simply type / to activate the AI agent and explore everything directly in chat. Now imagine starting with something simple. Hey, do you think aliens exist somewhere in the universe? It replies, no, they don't. But you don't stop there. You go deeper. If aliens did exist, what kind of environment would they live in? And the conversation shifts into something more imaginative, describing extreme worlds like tidally locked planets and other unusual environments. It even begins to turn those ideas into quick visuals, almost inviting you to think about what kind of world feels most interesting to you. That's where it becomes powerful. Ideas start transforming into images. So I push the imagination further. I've heard theories about alien life in Saturn's system, so let's create a cosmic scene where a train is traveling through the rings of Saturn. And just like that, it begins generating the image. From there, you can fine-tune the style, lighting, mood, and overall look in seconds, either directly in chat or using Edit with Prompt, until it perfectly matches your vision. Since we don't have a fixed direction yet, let's keep refining it step by step in chat. First, click on the image and type / and let's ask the AI to slightly increase the sunlight exposure for a warmer, more realistic look, and that's done. Now let's take it further. Transform it into a massive sphere completely covered in roaring fire using the GPT-2 image model. The best part here is that you can simply request a different model like Dream 5.0 or Nano Banana Pro directly in chat, and Dreamina Octo handles the rest. Now let's reshape Saturn's rings into multiple railway tracks surrounding the sphere. But it doesn't stop there. You can turn your idea into a full storyboard just by continuing the conversation. Build the story scene by scene, like a director planning a video. For example, you could say, create a storyboard visual from this image reference. A ninja fights aliens on a space train while protecting a galaxy-saving diamond. Then Dreamina Octo will first create a storyboard for you to review. After that, you can edit the characters, objects, environment, and scenes one by one until everything looks the way you want. If you want to use your own character instead of default ninja, simply drag and drop your character image into the character section from your system. Once the character is added, click Reroll all scenes. This will replace the ninja with your uploaded character in all 7 storyboard scenes. When you're happy with the storyboard, click Create Storyboard, and then select Clips. It'll break everything down shot by shot, with clear timing for each scene, so you can see exactly how the story moves from the first frame to the last. If any shot doesn't feel right, tap Edit Prompt and fix it instantly. If it looks good, hit Generate Video. Do the same for each shot until the full story is complete. And just like that, your storyboard doesn't stay on screen, it turns into a full video. If the shots look good, you're all set. If not, just keep regenerating until it hits that perfect level. Then smash Add to Timeline and drop everything straight into the editor. From there, you've got full control. Move scenes around, trim clips, tweak timing, remove the unwanted scenes and fine-tune everything just like a professional editing setup. This is where it all comes together, your story, fully in your hands, frame by frame. Preview it, feel the flow, and make those final adjustments. When it looks clean and powerful, just hit export, and your video is ready to go. That's the magic of Dreamina Octo, turning a raw idea into a fully built, high-end video inside one smooth creative workspace. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description and start creating today. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in episode 2 of the Dreamina Deep Dive series.